Welcome to Vintage Variety. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing. Today I'm going to do another Shop Goodwill jewelry unboxing. This lot was also color coordinated like the previous lots I've shown, and it was listed as Barbie Core, so I thought that was kind of neat. I've already taken this one out of the box, and of course I had to have a peek. There are a few pieces that are signed, which was surprising. So let's have a look at this lot and go through the items in it together. I don't usually bid on the large lots when I'm on Shop Goodwill. I usually stick to the smaller ones. Sometimes I win, most of the time I don't, but it seems like this was the kind of lot that no one was really interested in. This is a really nice enameled clamper bracelet. It has tiny rhinestones set into it. This would be a great item to wear during the summer. This one is also marked. I'm going to zoom in on it so you guys can see the marking on it. So this is by Tommy Bahama. So far, at least one signed piece, and I do know that there's a few more in this lot. Really like the colors of this. You can see it's in excellent condition. And of course, because it is Barbie Core, it has a pink background on this bracelet. So this would look really pretty to wear during the summertime with a pretty summer dress, a sundress, or any other kind of outfit. Another bracelet, and of course, this one also has some pink in it, keeping with that Barbie theme. This one is also a hinged bracelet. It has a magnetic closure, and this one is signed. I'm going to zoom in on it so you guys can see. So this is a Lily Pulitzer bracelet, and it says Lily Pulitzer Jubilee. I did pause recording because I wanted to get an idea of the comps on this bracelet. The first thing that I found was this was their 50th anniversary edition, and I believe it was a limited edition. The comps on this one were kind of all over the place. I saw a few as high as $145 and some as low as $45, so I'm very pleased with that. This is a good item from this lot. There are some earrings in this lot, and get a load of these. Now, these are some big earrings. Very large statement earrings, however, they are lightweight. The stone at the bottom is not a real stone, that is faux, and it's some kind of lightweight plastic. These do need a really good cleaning, and I'm hoping they'll clean up good for me. If they do, I'll put in a before and after picture for you guys to see. I'm going to check these and see if they have any markings or if they're signed. So I do see something on this earring. I'm going to pause recording and take a closer look at this through the loop. I took a closer look at this through the loop, and it looks very familiar. I'm pretty sure I've seen this mark before, but I can't think of whose maker's mark it is. Probably going to have to do some more research on it. If any of you recognize this maker's mark, leave me a comment below. I would be really interested in knowing. This is a before and after picture of these earrings, and they cleaned up really well. I first attempted to clean these with the jewelry cleaning cloth just to see if that would work. It didn't. So what I ended up doing was putting a small amount of Brasso on a soft rag, rubbing these down really good, and it took all of the old dirt, grime, and tarnish off of them. This next necklace is a fashion necklace, and I have ran across these. Sometimes they are signed, sometimes they aren't, and there's a lot of different brands I've noticed that have this same necklace design. I had ran across one sometime back that was broken. It was missing a part, and I think I did content on that, and what I did was I repurposed the longer pieces that are hanging down on the front of the necklace and turned it into earrings. So all in all, it turned out pretty well. There's nothing wrong with this one, and I'm always pretty much a stickler about if it's not broken, don't break it to make something else out of it. But this is not bad. This would be a cute necklace to wear. It is not really a vintage piece. It's more of just a simple fashion piece. but it's in good condition, so not a bad item at all. Here's a better look at this one on the form. I really love this color of pink. It's kind of like a pale pink, or maybe what you would call a baby pink, but there's nothing wrong with this. It is a cute little fashion piece, and there's a lot of different things that this would look really cute worn with. Another bracelet. It has these pink rhinestones set into it. What a shame. It's missing a few of them. And this would be easy to repair as long as I could find the right color and size of rhinestones. I think it would be worth repairing. I don't know if I will repair it or not because I already have a lot of repair projects to do. This one has a toggle closure on it, and it's also marked. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but to me that looks like Premier Designs. It is a rather lovely little bracelet. What a shame that it's missing the stones. Maybe I will get around to repairing it. Another necklace, and I can tell right now this is just an inexpensive, cheap costume jewelry piece. It's okay for a fashion piece, I guess, but I don't like the jewelry that has the ribbon through it or the ribbons that tie at the neck like this one. Sometimes you'll see pieces that have the fabric cording that ties at the neck. And the reason I don't like pieces like this is you've got to stop and think. When you wear jewelry, your sweat, your body oils, things like that get on it. So pieces like this get really gross and nasty really fast. I'm sure they can be washed, but this piece, because of the way it is, I think that this would be something I would just put into crafting. You can also see that there's a lot of wear on it in certain spots. And of course, if I were going to put this into crafting or use it for crafting myself, I would most likely cut the ribbon out of this piece and throw it away. This one does have some type of a tag on it. And I'll give you guys a close-up look to see if any of you guys recognize this maker's mark. It's not one I'm familiar with or that I believe I've ever ran across. I could be wrong, but either way, this is not a great piece. I can't say that I'm disappointed with this lot because this is the only really bad piece I've found in it so far. Now, this next necklace, I know exactly what this is, mainly because I have owned this exact same identical necklace. This is a Chico's necklace. It should have a small hang tag on it. I don't see it on there. Sometimes those do get broken off. But this is a really nice Chico's necklace. And it's very weighty, very well made. It has kind of these off-white or maybe cream-colored faux pearls. And then it has the larger rhinestones set into it. Just a really pretty statement necklace. I like Chico's jewelry. I have a few pieces, and my mother loves Chico's. So, no tag on this one. It is adjustable. It has a lobster claw closure or clasp. And I think if I list this one, I'm going to list it as a Chico's necklace. And I'll just put on there, missing tag, Chico's necklace. Here's a look at this necklace on the form. And yes, I have layered it with more pearls. This is a statement necklace. It's a standalone piece. It doesn't have to be layered. But I think it looks kind of pretty like this, so that would be another option. We're down to the last two pieces in this lot, and it is a set. It is a statement necklace and a pair of earrings. These earrings are very lightweight. They are pierced earrings, but I feel like they're pretty well made. The large stone or cabochon that you see is done in a plastic. And then it has these clear rhinestones set into it, and all of these pieces are prong set. It's a very pretty color of pink. Maybe I would call that a bubblegum color pink. It's not something I would wear. It's not really my style, but this would be cute for a young girl or even for cosplay or something like that. I don't see any markings on the necklace, so it's not signed, but it's really pretty. It's a gold tone, and it has all of these rhinestones and then all of these little pink plastic cabochons. So I think this is a really cute set. Here's a better look at this necklace on the form along with the earrings, and I think this is a really pretty statement piece. I think this would be really appropriate for someone that was going to a party or maybe going out to have cocktails, or even if they were going to something more formal like a prom or a homecoming. The color of pink, it's a pretty color of pink, but it's not a color of pink that I would wear. And that goes, everybody's different. If there's something that you like and it makes you happy and it puts a smile on your face, don't worry about what other people think. Wear it and enjoy it. I have to say that I'm really not disappointed with this lot at all. Are there a lot of vintage pieces in this lot? No, not really, other than the one pair of clip-on earrings. But I did get some signed pieces, and I got some really nice statement pieces. I also feel like I kind of got my money's worth for a change because I know what my local thrift stores charge. And this lot I won, it was $7.99. I was the only bidder. And with shipping, it turned out to be $17.99, so around $18. And there were quite a few pieces in this lot. So you guys tell me what you think in the comments. Out of all of these pieces, which ones are your favorites? And is this a lot that you would have purchased? I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to share these items with me. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Ring the bell for notifications and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.